Another beautiful and unique hairstyle for everyone. If you do this style, I guarantee people will turn to look because it's so eye-catching. If you don't do it, people will wonder, oh, how did she make it look so pretty? First, don't forget to use serum or hair gel before styling. But it's best to use serum because serum makes your hair soft, smooth, shiny, and helps repair damaged hair strands. I'm using serum for her because she also washed her hair with our shampoo set. Just to let you know, this hair belongs to a new mother who gave birth 6 months ago. Usually, postpartum mothers lose hair, but she only lost a little because she continuously uses our shampoo set. Now her hair loss has stopped very quickly, and her hair is growing thicker than before. For any mothers or anyone experiencing hair loss, you can regularly use this shampoo set. For special promotion details, please message our page. Now, returning to our hairstyle, first, tie 2 half ponytails as you see here. Then, take a strand of hair from the right, fold it inward through the middle section, and temporarily clip it. Repeat the same fold on the other side with an equal amount of hair. Insert a topsy tail tool through the middle of the tied ponytail, loop the hair through from top to bottom, and pull it down. Next, divide the pulled hair into a standard 3-strand braid. Anyone who knows how to do a basic 3-strand braid can easily create this look. Braid it all the way down and secure the end with AR.